Attention to the pits, extreme front wheel drive. Let's go, lanes 5 and 6. Extreme front wheel drive, lanes 5 and 6 for your second qualifying session.
Ready, fast guy?
We'll see. We'll see how the car does.
Day 2, qualifier 2. Lining up, getting ready to go.
Sticks is sticks. If it don't, I ran the 12. These motherfuckers look like they were sticking everything. It's blowing the tire.
Sticking what?
I don't know. He blew the
What's the difference?
He blew the shit away.
Cool. Yeah.
You guys missed out.
Dinner's on Jayson anyway.
That place was
That whole guy. Yeah, right there, a little bit, right there. Yeah. Starting. That's good though. That has one more pass. Nice pass. I'd rather put a fresh shit. This was the set that I swapped. I thought it was like a small bar. Like, it didn't look too bad. It's just fill the tires and fuel on this.
Nah,
Change it up. What's for dinner?
you guys want to go somewhere else?
Oh, I go to Austin's again. I swear to God. But we're not gonna get out of here till 11 o'clock. The place was banging, boy. Austin's. Yo, they had Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. We gotta work on him. We gotta get him turned up.
It doesn't get turned. No.
He gets angry. Turned up.
Like that, no?
I cracked the bumper. I almost got killed.
You should have.
Yeah, because you should have put the motor tires on there like you told you to.
That's all about the spotter. My side's bent.
Your side was me.
My side is perfect. My side's not broken.
Your side was the first one that broke off at the beginning.
What you know about that?
When?
Look at it!
When I had to stop him when he...
That car used to be really nice. That car used to be really nice. Then Jayson touched it.
I told you.
I can't go racing with him because he took my bumper blade out and up his eye. Why are you backing up? I don't care. I don't care. Yo, Pop's got quick hands, boy. I don't care. Yo, I like that.
Legal.
Brand new.
So we ended up switching tires again. Explain that.
Which what?
Switching tires again. Explain that.
Okay, so the first pass I made the weekend yesterday, towards the end of the track, it started pulling me towards the wall. So typically, this car goes pretty straight, so I swapped the slicks to make sure, you know, it's not like a rollout issue. And then that pass, it pushed me towards the center line. So swap them one more time. If it does it, then I'm pretty much going to confirm what I'm thinking. That the tire, the rollout, is a little different. And there's not really a way to fix that other than tire pressure, but then you're guessing. Or new set of slicks, honestly.
Day 2, third final qualifier. They're trying to squeeze it in. We're on kind of a little bit of a time crunch. Track's been tricky today, right?
Yeah, trying to get the short track down's been hard for a lot of the guys. Cause yesterday was so bad, today is better. Now it's just catching up. So we gotta see.
It's been a mess. A lot of spills, a lot of cleanups, but that's racing. So hopefully it won't be too many more mishaps, and we'll be able to get down the track one more time. We'd like to get one more in, one more good one, get a little bit higher. Jay, what number are you at right now?
Right now I'm qualified number 9. Only that one pass I made, one decent pass, full pass I made. We'll see. We're trying to get a little faster. Hopefully, if we go again to the 20s, maybe a high team, I'll be good for the weekend. I'll be good enough.
So I don't really speak Spanish, but I did hear the English version before this. I just couldn't catch it on video. So there was a wreck. We're not gonna get a third qualifier. Driver's okay, so you know, you gotta take what you get. Good morning. It's 11:45. We haven't done shit. We got here at 8:30. Unloaded the car.
Who you racing?
Now we're just chilling. Track's out of ice. Generators out of fuel. But we're chilling. Relaxing. Hanging out. Waiting. Well, while we're playing the waiting game, Maple Grove has an audio competition going on right now. So we're checking out some of the competition cars. I don't even know if you can hear me.
I can't.
Probably not. This is a perfect setup right here. This is exactly what I need for my Jeep. Right here. If I had this, I'd be so happy. Ow! I've never heard anything even close to that. Time for that Chucharo to go. Might put a Puerto Rican flag on the new one. Jose hooked it up. Saw spots, hoodie, Boricua. Couldn't say no. So we're spending a lot of time in the staging lane, kind of hanging out, getting shaken by the base that's probably a quarter mile away on the other side of the track. Right? At least Jayson's comfortable. What other driver do you know that sits so reclined?
Yeah, it's pretty. That's where I really sit.
Relaxing. Runs at 8:06 and he's just like, oh yeah, you know, looking at the clouds, enjoying the day.
Super slow. I saw him red light, so I didn't.
Round one done. Moving on to round two. Jay, who's the possibilities of round two? Or who are you racing round two? You know yet? No mames! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damn, same trailer. Now they're racing round two. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a fun race. There's been a change of events. Well, we're up next, as you could tell. It's raining.
This goddamn camera. Leave it be, YouTuber. God damn it.